Silence is sometimes the loudest answer. Unknown. Not every truth arrives with noise. Not every answer comes dressed in words. Sometimes silence is clarity. It's the pause after a question that tells you everything you need to know. When someone avoids responding, when the room goes quiet, when nothing is said, that absence is the message. Silence reveals priorities. It exposes intentions. It shows where energy has been withdrawn. We often chase explanations, overanalyze tone, or wait for closure that never comes. But silence already closed the door. It asks you to stop listening outward and start paying attention inward. Because when words disappear, truth stops hiding. And if you're willing to listen, silence will answer you more honestly than sound ever could.